现在就让我们一起来欣赏客家音乐。
Hey, it's time for another Hakka song on ICRT. I am Joseph Glenn, and he is Huang Zhenxing, who is the lead vocalist of 阿比白 Band. 这位今天要介绍的客家歌手叫做黄振兴，也就是阿比白乐团的主唱。而这首歌叫做把握人生，也就是把握人生。从客家勤奋的传统精神来出发，希望每一个人呢都能把握现在，然后全心的奋斗，不要到老的时候后悔当初没有为自己拼搏过哦。好，大家要把握人生。
那么目标，理想，时态的年，哪会无彩？打拼来打拼，搁有效嘛解。连个客家传统精神，你要永远记得起，时时态态坚持，唔好放弃。要做某一天要成功，也是有一xuất勇气。要做将有好机会，望咱自己照样落去。将把握人生，把握人生，时间无等人，梦想将你过了千多年。把握人生，把握人生，少年不要想，谁是道路？
The song you're hearing is called Seize Life and is based on the traditional hard-working spirit of the Hakka people in hopes that everyone can take hold of their time right now and have no regrets when they grow old. And that is definitely something that the whole world can learn from the Hakka.
把握人生，把握人生，少年不要想，谁是道路？相爱无本钱，相爱无本钱。
大家有什么样的梦想或者是目标 If you have any dreams and goals in life, remember you have to 把握人生，把握人生 Seize life. Another great song on ICRT. See you next time.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.